welcome back to another video. I, Srishti Mishra, legal intern in LexClick and Companies, going to present today's video topic, that is remedies available to death penalties. The individuals who are awarded death penalties. So we will talk about that. What are the remedies available to them? So before talking about the remedies, let us quickly talk about that Shabnam versus State of UP, that is Uttar Pradesh. So just let us start with today's video with our case, that is Shabnam versus State of UP. So if we talk about this case, 13 years ago, that is dated 14 April 2008, Aroma in Babar Kehra, that is in Uttar Pradesh. Shabnam family was there, in which 8 members were there, and Shabnam was only girl child in that family, इकलौती बेटी थी, and there she was of 25 years of age. Okay, now these all are the in this we'll talking about all the case facts which are related to that case. So just moving ahead with the topic, that Shabnam father was a teacher and Shabnam education qualifications की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो she was MBA pass and also used to teach primary students and teacher in school. And in between that, what happened that she was in love affair with a boy named Salim, and he was 8th class pass. So this is these facts about that, this Shabnam. Now I'll telling about why I'm telling the qualifications, that is education qualification of both of them. I will tell you ahead in our in this video only. And now what happened that when she was in his love affair, what happened that she got pregnant, and after that she talks about her marriage, but their parents were against it. They did not allow to get married with Salim, and after that she planned का मतलब अगर मैं इधर बताऊँ, what she planned, that is criminal plan किया उसने, criminal minded intention to harm someone. So what she did that she missed sleeping pills in their family meals, due to which उसके पूरी family बेहोश हो गई. They were asleep, they were fully asleep, and what happened that then she called her lover, that is Salim, and after that she murdered all his family members with the help of Salim. And after that, after murdering, what happened that Salim भाग गया वहाँ से from Shabnam house, and she was there. Now after that, another morning, अगली सुबह, what happened that she shouted very much that some criminal has killed their family members, and she shouted a lot, told people around her that criminal killed their families. But after a week of investigation that take place by the police, what they found that the kills of their families was done by Shabnam and with the help of Salim, and they were imprisoned, they were jailed. And after that she gave a birth to a baby boy. And after that, what happened that in 2010, Aroma court announces death penalty, awarded death penalty. And therefore what happened in 2013 Allahabad court, and after that 2015 Supreme Court granted permission, allowed the death penalty to Shabnam and Salim. That if I talking about ahead what happened in this case, in 2015 she filed a mercy petition to UP governor. But इधर मैं एक छोटी सी बात बता दूँ, जैसे mercy petition is only filed to president, not to any governor. ठीक है. Now talking about that, Shabnam filed a mercy petition, and she told that she has some duties, some rights towards his child, that is boy child, newborn, and death penalty should be abolished, should be overruled for her. Now what happened that mercy petition was rejected, and then she in 2016 she again filed another mercy petition to president. At that time Pranab Mukherjee was the president, but the petition again got rejected. And after that, what happened that in January 2020, Supreme Court benches, and with his Chief Justice of India, that is S.A. Bhobre, is head of this case, and he did not abolish that death penalty. उन्होंने जारी रखा वो death penalty for both of them. Now what happened, So, if individual to whom death penalty is sentenced, this is which I told above is whole about the case facts of that case. Now, someone individual is to whom death penalty is sentenced. In this, here all are there are alternative to them. There are three alternative. One who is sentence awarded by the Supreme Court. The individual has three remedies, and these three remedies are review petition, a mercy petition, and a curative petition. Now talking about all three in detail. So review petition, if a new evidence is found or some mistake is found in the judgment, then then the review petition is filed. And if one of the alternative to stop, this is one of the alternative, first alternative to stop the death penalty. Now, but if the review petition is also rejected, then individual can take the help of curative petition. In this, if some substances is seen or some merits is seen in that case, then again petition can file. That petition is curative petition, and the case goes to that bench who awarded this sentence, that is death penalty. But if the curative petition is also rejected, then the mercy petition is filed. And in this is mercy petition is then when every door is closed, when every drawer is closed for a criminal imprisonment, then mercy petition is the last, that is the kind of last resort. Now, constitutional article, that is 72, and powers to president, and article 161, that is state government, powers to state government, has power to mercy petition. And one who they can, what they can do, they can communicate. And if I talk about communicate, that that means that the punishment means the punishment which is given to the imprisonment or the criminal means to reduce that punishment into a less harsh one. Okay, ठीक है. And another is one, that is pardon. Pardon means that punishment means priest can totally acquit the person and let him free like a normal citizen. So this is all about the three available remedies to the person, to the individual who is awarded death penalty. Now talking about what is the step. What is the step to file a mercy petition? So criminal, the same criminal that to whom the case is charged or relative of that person can submit the written petition to president. Then president secretary then what happened that he sent to, after taking that accept the petition on the behalf of president, and then send it to Ministry of Home Affairs. And after that, what happened that Ministry of Home Affairs on the behalf of president is given. Then Home Ministry concerned discuss the merits to the state government, and then what happened that Home Ministry will all the comments जो भी उसने सोचा है, all the facts जो भी है, send back to president again. And then president is the last call, that is final call. He in his hand is that if he wants to reject or to accept that accept the mercy petitions. And in this case, whether they rejected or no, there is no time period, no time bound. Many cases are pending to that. कोई टाइम पीरियड नहीं है कि इतने से इतने टाइम में petition has to be filed and fulfilled. No, there is no petition. And this is whole about the topic that we talked about, that remedies available. If I say that there are 3 remedies, and this is whole I believe that you find this video useful, informative, and you find this video informative, go and smash the like button, subscribe to channel, let me know your feedback in the comment box below down. Till then, take care, goodbye.